Feeling overwhelmed by a sea of subtasks that seem to blend together in Asana? Well, stay tuned, because in the next minute and a half, I'm going to show you the secrets to creating crystal clear subtask titles that will transform your project management. First things first. Let's open up Asana and navigate to the task you want to break down into subtasks. Click on the main task, and then look for the Add Subtask button. It's usually located right below the task description or within the task details. Click that button to create your first subtask. Now, this is where the magic happens. Instead of just typing in a vague description like "do this," let's create a title that's both specific and action-oriented. For example, instead of blog post, try write first draft of blog post or edit blog post. For grammar, the key is to start with a verb, like write, edit, research, or schedule, followed by a concise description of what needs to be done. Notice how these titles immediately tell you what needs to happen, which helps you avoid confusion and keeps everyone on the same page. Best practice is to keep titles short and sweet. If the subtask requires more context, don't hesitate to use the description field. This is the perfect place to add details, links, or any other information that will help someone complete the subtask effectively. And finally, don't forget to assign the subtask to the appropriate team member and set a due date. This ensures accountability and helps you track progress effectively. So, there you have it. With these simple tips, you can create subtask titles that are clear, concise, and actionable, ultimately boosting your team's productivity and keeping your projects on track. Thanks for watching, and happy Asana.